Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. I thought I'd cover more of the standard common slimes before going off into custom slime territory, so today's video is covering how to make a rock slime. Here's a list of everything you need. The fabric used can be changed to make your own custom slimes, like a pink rock slime combo. Pause here if you need to. The pattern is available for free in the description for my DeviantArt. Make sure to follow the key in the top left hand corner before you cut it out and add seam where necessary. The first thing you need to do is take one of the body side pieces and sew up the dart in the centre. Repeat for the second body half. Take the black straight line and sew it in the centre of the body pieces right at the bottom of the dart. Then take both rectangle eye pieces and sew them so that they're evenly spaced on either side of the centre of the dart above the mouth. After that, place both body pieces together with the tracing facing up on both sides and sew them around the curved side, leaving the bottom side open. When it's joined, take the final bottom circle piece and begin joining it to the two body sides. When you've nearly reached the end of the sewing line, flip it the right way up and stuff it. Then close off the remaining gap with an invisible stitch. Take 2 of the 8 small spike pieces and place them with the tracing facing up around the curved side, leaving the straight edge open. Once done, flip it upright and stuff it. Repeat for the remaining 3 small spikes. Use this same process for the medium thicker spikes to create another 2 spikes. Do the same thing again to create the remaining 2 large spikes. Take one of the smallest spikes and at the bottom corner of the front body side, join it on using an invisible stitch. Repeat using another small spike on the other side of the body front. Take another small spike and place it at the top and use an invisible stitch to join it on. Repeat the same process with a large spike nearby. Nearer to the back, add another large spike. Place the remaining spikes evenly around the top between the spikes you've added until you have used all of them up. And that is how you make a rock slime plushie. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas that you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!